Let's talk about payments. After all, it is the reason you're in business, right? It's the reason for the transition from hobbyist to creative professional. ShootQ makes invoicing a breeze. You can create an invoice, see what payments are overdue, and send automatic payment reminders. Automatic payment reminders mean no more awkward conversations letting your clients know their payment is due. Integrate with one of 5 merchant providers to collect payments online. And if your client is a little old school and prefers to pay with cash or check, their payment can be applied to the invoice manually. Create your invoice through the green actions dropdown within your job. Add a la carte items or packages to your invoice, or maybe a combination of both. Select your due date and send your invoice. Head over to the Documents tab to get an overview of the payments that are past due. Start sending payment reminders by heading over to Settings, Templates, Emails, then scroll down to Automatic Client Emails. There are payment reminders for upcoming payments, as well as overdue payments. Want to preview an email before enabling it? Not a problem. Click Edit on the right to take a peek. ShootQ's online invoicing makes it easy for your clients to pay you, making it easier for you to get paid. It's a win-win.